Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Dogecoin in a real sense is exchanging at 9 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.26% in most recent 1 hour in a sort of large manner. Doge basically has a genuinely all-out market cap of $12,755,281,920 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,483,578,243 in a huge manner. This really makes Dogecoin positioning at 8 in the digital money market, which generally is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin really be worth in 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner? Is Dogecoin a sort of wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Doge cost in every practical sense outperform its record-breaking high, which all things considered, is genuinely huge? These in every practical sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, or so they really thought. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2023, which essentially shows that generally is Dogecoin a wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, which sort of is very huge. As per the Dogecoin Estimate Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the Doge cost especially is supposed to cross a really normal value level of 12 cents. The normal especially least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to be 12 cents in a kind of large manner. Also, Doge can especially arrive at an especially most extreme value level of 14 cents. So as per the Dogecoin Figure Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the Doge cost in every practical sense is supposed to cross a normal value level of 12 cents. The normal truly least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to by and large be 12 cents, which certainly is very critical. Dogecoin Value Expectation April 2023. With respect to April 2023, Dogecoin cost in every practical sense is estimate to explicitly arrive at a particularly the least cost of 8 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Doge cost could arrive at a kind of greatest cost of 9 cents with the by and large normal expected cost around 9 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Dogecoin Value Figure May 2023. For May 2023, the cost of Dogecoin truly is explicitly anticipated to truly arrive at a truly normal cost of 10 cents, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of 10 cents and a kind of least of 9 cents. Or so they basically thought. Dogecoin Value Conjecture June 2023. The Dogecoin cost for June 2023 may for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of 10 cents, while the all things considered greatest estimated cost fundamentally is around 11 cents. Essentially further appearance how Dogecoin Value Expectation April 2023. Concerning April 2023, Dogecoin cost essentially is figured to in a real sense arrive at a practically the most minimal cost of 8 cents, which especially is very critical. The typical cost for Doge generally is fundamentally anticipated to basically reach 10 cents in June 2023. Which in every practical sense shows that starting around the 20th of April 2023 Dogecoin explicitly is exchanging at 9 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.26% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which is very critical. Dogecoin Value Conjecture July 2023. In July 2023, the truly greatest cost for Dogecoin could sort of stretch around 11 cents. Moreover, the minimum cost of Doge in July 2023 generally is 10 cents with a genuinely normal cost of 11 cents, which is very huge. Dogecoin Value Expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Dogecoin cost in every practical sense is conjectured to truly arrive at an outright most minimal cost of 11 cents, or so they thought. The Doge cost could for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of 12 cents with the kind of typical expected cost around 11 cents in an extremely significant manner. Doge Value Figure September 2023. The Dogecoin estimate for September 2023 expects that the Doge may in a real sense arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of 12 cents with a genuinely least cost of around 11 cents, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Discussing the especially normal value Doge can sort of stretch around 11 cents for September incredibly. Dogecoin Value Figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters is especially anticipated to arrive at a sort of typical cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of 13 cents and a truly least of 11 cents, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin Value Expectation November 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in November 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 12 cents and 13 cents. Or so they basically thought, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around 12 cents in an in every way that really matters, large way. Dogecoin cost expectation December 2023. Dogecoin cost especially is supposed to reach between 12 cents to 14 cents in December 2023, while the especially normal cost of Doge for the December for the most part remains around 12 cents. Dogecoin exceptionally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost generally has shown a very decent increment of 4.82% as of now. Further appearance: how might Doge cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled high, which in every practical sense is very huge. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Doge fundamentally was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.64%. So the essentially normal cost for Doge especially is by and large anticipated to reach 10 cents in June 2023, which truly shows that starting around the 20th of April 2023, Dogecoin certainly is exchanging at 9 cents in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.26% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in extremely significant manner. Dogecoin especially has shown extremely major areas of strength of potential recently, and this could be certainly great chance to dive right in and contribute. So this generally makes Dogecoin truly positioning at 8 in the digital money market, or so they truly thought. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the kind of current cost and fundamentally beyond 30 days cost history, it in a real sense is seen that Dogecoin essentially has expanded 9.477% in its worth, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The very normal for the most part least cost for the month by and large is 8 cents, while sort of greatest truly normal cost certainly was 8 cents, showing the way that this truly makes Dogecoin truly positioning at 8 in the digital money market in an extremely significant manner. This suggests that this coin by and large is a reasonable resource and another expansion to sort of your arrangement of coins for sort of long haul and in every practical sense significant way. The 90 days cost change especially is around 25.50%, and the cost really circled from a for the most part least typical cost of 6 cents to in every practical sense greatest pretty normal cost of 7 cents in the kind of beyond 90 days, which basically is genuinely huge. Dogecoin by and large is somewhere near 5.10%, with the genuinely greatest pretty typical cost of the coin truly was around 11 cents, and the by and large least certainly normal cost of generally was around 9 cents in the most part beyond 4 months, which sort of is genuinely critical. What will sort of be Dogecoin fundamentally worth in 2023, which generally is very critical. The Doge cost especially is estimated to basically arrive at an essentially greatest degree of 14 cents, with fundamentally least cost of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Does Dogecoin basically have a future in an essentially huge manner? As far as value, Dogecoin in a real sense has a remarkable exceptionally potential to arrive at new levels in a quite enormous manner, especially at by and large is gauged that Doge will increment in esteem, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Dogecoin can for the most part stir things up around town cost of $4.40 till 2030. So truly is Dogecoin a truly wise venture, or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner? Is Dogecoin worth purchasing in 2023? All things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking, Dogecoin